Hello, thanks for watching the video. If you are planning to create tropical garden, then this video is going to be very much useful for you because we will share with you the most beautiful 64 latest designs and also going to share with you very much useful information and tips about tropical gardening or tropical forest. Tropical gardening is the hot trend that allows you to create a lush and exotic paradise right in your backyard. It is a way to create a beautiful and relaxing environment that promotes a sense of calm and well-being. With a little planning and effort, you can create a tropical garden that provides you with years of enjoyment and supports a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. A tropical garden is a type of garden that is characterized by its lush greenery, vibrant colors, and exotic plants. It's a garden that is designed to mimic the natural environment of tropical regions around the world. There are different types of plants that are commonly found in a tropical garden, such as palm trees, orchids, and hibiscus flowers. There are many features that are commonly found in tropical gardens, such as water features, rock formations, and winding pathways. When designing your tropical garden, it's important to consider factors such as the size and shape of your space, the layout and placement of your plants, and the visual appeal of your garden. Consider using a variety of plant species to create a lush and exotic environment. Incorporate bold foliage, colorful flowers, and dramatic plants to create a tropical atmosphere. When choosing your tropical garden plants, it's important to consider your climate and the growing condition of your space. Choose plants that are adapted to your climate and that will thrive in your garden. Some popular tropical garden plants include hibiscus, orchids, birds of paradise, and palm trees. Maintaining your tropical garden requires regular care and attention. This includes watering, fertilizing, pruning, and harvesting your plants as needed. It's important to stay on top of pests and diseases to ensure a healthy and productive garden. Additionally, consider using sustainable gardening practices such as composting and using natural pest control methods to promote a healthy and vibrant garden. For fertilizing your tropical plants, we recommend that you use fertilizers that work to improve your soil as well as fertilize your plants. Blood and Bone Organic Extras, Sizzle, and Charlie Carb are all excellent soil builders, as well as mushroom compost and cow dung. Tropical plants should be placed in bright but indirect light when inside. Humidity is also important. If you live in a dry area, consider setting up an inside humidifier to add moisture to the air. Choose plants that are native to tropical climate and can thrive in your local environment. Create a focal point in your garden such as a water feature or a large tropical plant. Use different level of planting to add depth and dimension to your garden. Incorporate a variety of texture and colors such as broad leaves, flowers, and vines to add visual interest. Consider adding outdoor lighting to highlight your garden's beauty at night. Provide plenty of sunlight and water for your plants as they require high levels of both. Use organic fertilizer and compost to nourish your plants and promote healthy growth. Create a microclimate for your plants by using shade cloth or misting system to regulate temperature and humidity. Incorporate a variety of textures and colors in your garden designed to add visual interest. The natural materials like bamboo, stone, and wood to create pathways, borders, and other garden features. Regularly prune and maintain your plants to keep them healthy and prevent overcrowding. Creating a tropical jungle at your home can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you get started. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are native to tropical climates and can thrive indoors. Some popular options include palms and philodendrons. Choose a layered look. Use different levels of planting to add depth and dimension to your jungle. Consider hanging plants from the ceiling, placing tall tree plants in the back, and using shorter plants in the front. Provide proper lighting. Most tropical plants require bright indirect light to grow properly. Consider placing your plants near a window that receive plenty of natural light, such as natural light, or use grow lights to supplement. Use natural materials like bamboo, wood, and stone for your planters, furniture, and decor. Incorporate a water feature like a small fountain or a pond to add the tropical ambience and provide humidity for your plants. Maintain your jungle regularly prune and maintain your plants to keep them healthy and prevent overcrowding. Water your plant regularly and fertilize them as needed. I hope these tips help you create a beautiful tropical jungle in your home. So at the end of this video, we would like to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to give us your comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.